Hi everyone, welcome to BISP trainings. My name is Faiza Alam, and in our previous session we have seen how can we enter employee data with the help of CSV import. Today we'll see how if there is a requirement for updating or editing the employee record, so how it can be done. Because what happens, there are scenarios in which an employee record needs to be updated, and in order to save our time, instead of going into each record and manually make changes into it, will be a time taking task and time taking activity. So we can edit multiple existing employee record at one time by exporting data and make necessary changes into it. So we'll see how it is done with the help of a CSV import option. So firstly, we will see what kind of changes do we want to make. So we'll go into list employees. So the top four employee records that we are seeing here doesn't have phone number, supervisor name, and department. So we'll be adding or updating these four records with these fields here. So how it is done? So firstly, we have to export this employee data here by clicking on this export CSV option. Yes, we have to open a file. Now, as we have to update it with the phone number. Let me enlarge it. We have to provide a phone number, supervisor name, and department here. So phone number. So we have provided phone numbers here. Now we have to add supervisor here. Department is also required to be provided. So as we are not updating all the records here, so as we have updated only these four, so I will select it. Paste it here. And as we do not want this name, email, login, access, class. So the things that we are not updating, we are not going to take it. We take only phone number, supervisor name. And since supervisor and all is already there, we'll save it. Now we'll import it. How the import of it is done, how it will get updated. So for that we'll go into setup, import, export, import CSV records here. You have to select the import type, that is employee. Then record type is also employee here. We have to upload one file, so we have to select the file. Click on next. As we are updating it, so we have to click on update option. and this the checkbox should be checked here. Now we'll click on next. You can see that all the NetSuite fields have been mapped with the Excel sheet fields here. Now we'll click on next to provide a name for it. Now we'll save and run it. Now we will track the status. It is processing. So here we can see that all the 4 records have been imported successfully. We got the CSV response here. If we open this result file, so here we got the confirmation that our records have been imported. Now we'll see the changes or the updates that we have made. So for that we'll go into list employees. So here you can see that previously no phone number, no supervisor name, no department was there, but now it is showing here as we have updated these records with the help of that Excel file, with the help of that export option, and we have updated these records. So in this way we can update the required records rather than going into each and every record and do the manual changes. We can do it with the help of that Excel sheet, and we can import that under the with the help of CSV import option. So that's all about the topic. In case of any doubts and consultations, you can reach out to us at www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you.